All right.
We've got some crescent rolls here. We're going to see and make us a breakfast casserole. When you've got the rolls, it will be like 2 different sections here. We're gonna take the one section. You can leave it whole like that. You just play around with it and see exactly, as long as they meet each other. And then one more. Okay. Then we're going to add some cheddar cheese. It's got some sharp cheddar. We're going to go around here with our sharp cheddar cheese. Okay. Now we've got some Jimmy Dean fully cooked smoked sausage. Just cut up some sausage in here. Around here, I like the meat. Okay. Then we are going to, we've got eggs.
Got some country eggs.
Country eggs. We're gonna crack open and whisk up. Okay.
We're gonna pour this over the...
I leave a little bit in there. We got, say, basically 3 eggs there.
Okay. All right, now we got the next layer.
Yep, we're gonna get another can of our crescent rolls. So you got it, we're gonna pull it in 2 though. But we're not gonna divide our triangles out this time. We're gonna leave it kind of like this.
Oh yeah, that's so much easier.
See, and do it around.
So much easier.
Yes, and then your little perforated, you can just kind of mash them back together.
I think it's perforated.
Yeah, something like that. Go, country folks. Can't talk, but that's all right.
No, you said it right. I said it wrong. It's looking nice.
Now you're gonna go back and put your cheese on, sausage, and some eggs.
That's just kind of to bind it all together, right?
Yes, yes. Now we're just gonna put a little salt on it, a little pepper, and then we'll put our final crescent roll on top.
Oh man, this thing's gonna be crazy.
We hope it's good. Okay, I've got another roll, last batch of
The
crescent
final
roll.
one.
It should cook the same. Pack you in. But it looks like it's gonna be a good dish.
I bet it is.
We're gonna put it in the oven. Maybe right before it gets done, put a little cheese on top.
Ooh. All right.
Okay, we're gonna check on our breakfast casserole.
Ooh.
See the eggs popping through right over here?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some cheddar cheese on top.
Just throw a little cheese on top of that. Okay.
Yeah, because you know,
It's almost ready.
everything tastes better with cheese.
Yeah, this didn't have enough cheese on it already.
Yeah. Now just get it even better.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now let's stick it back in there. It's got about 10 minutes to go.
All right, let's take a look. Oh man.
Look at our breakfast casserole. That is looking good.
Looking special.
Oh, the cheese really topped it off. They're good.
I love that we did this in a bundt cake pan. It was different.
Mm-hmm. Now we just need to, hoping that it'll pop out of here. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, or should I say 3, 2,
2, 1.
Ooh, doggy.
Ooh, that looks good.
Mmm.
Oh man. We're gonna have to cut this thing open.
Ooh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells like straight up biscuits.
That is
Oh,
cool looking. Look at
look
that.
at
See all the
that.
cheese and the eggs. And you know what? I love hot sauce. Y'all might think I'm a freak, but
You like the Louisiana one?
I like Louisiana hot sauce. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of that on there. I love it with my eggs and sausage.
I like the picante ones.
Mm. Mmm. That is excellent right there.
Mild rotel. I'll pour that in a bowl. And we're going to take a can of cream of mushroom soup. Get all that out of there. Don't leave any mushrooms in there. Okay, then we're going to take a can of cream of chicken. Got a little can scraper here. Now we're going to just kind of combine these three together.
Looks good. What's this recipe called?
This is Rotel King Ranch Chicken.
Sounds good to me.
Now we're going to add in a bell pepper and an onion that we've cooked already in the butter. Just take maybe half stick of butter with a bell pepper and onion. We'll toss that in our mixture. Okay. Got those.
Smells buttery.
Yeah. Okay. Extra bell pepper and onion and butter. Boy, that'll be good.
It looks good.
Okay, now we're going to take 2 cups of chicken. We have got this chicken here, and we have drained it. So we don't need that extra juice in there. 1 cup. Same stuff. We've drained it. Makes 2 cups of chicken. It's all combined. If you want your chicken smaller, if you use a can, if you smash it a little bit, it'll break up. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to take corn tortillas in a 9 by 13 pan. We're going to make a bottom layer. I have to
Tear them up a little bit, maybe.
that, or you could overlap
Oh yeah,
like that.
especially for the bottom layer, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Looks pretty good.
You can just pull these other ones to the side a little bit, where everything is covered. Okay, all that is covered. Now you're going to take your mixture here. We're going to put a little bit. Thought this might be the easiest way. That way then you can spread it out.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you're doing about half the mixture there?
Yes. And I'm going to just take the back of my spoon, kind of spread it out. Everybody gets a little bit on here.
Mm-mm.
Okay, now you're going to follow that with some sharp cheddar cheese. We're just going to sprinkle that on this layer.
Was that about half the bag?
Yes. Okay, now you alternate now. Bring some more corn tortillas. Put it on top.
Yeah. I think this is going to be a good one, Kim.
Now you're just going to put the rest of your mixture out. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz.
That looks so good.
I'd say when this cooks, it will be. Now you're going to put some more cheese on there. Slap it down. Use it by my hand so I can get around the sides better.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes.
All righty. 350 for 30 minutes.
And you'll have a delicious lunch.
All righty. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, Kim,
That
you're doing
does.
good on this one.
King
As
Ranch
always.
chicken casserole.
I cannot wait to sink my teeth in this. All right, let's give this a try. Chicken casserole.
That looks good.
That's pretty good. Gonna make some potato chip casserole. Alright, spread that around the bottom there.
Just a good even layer.
Alright, so we're gonna take our sharp cheddar shredded cheese. And just layer that over the top. Never have too much cheese.
Nope, this is to taste, so whatever y'all want to do here.
Yeah, just by feel. Alright, then we're gonna take some chili,
Hormel.
spread it over the top. Just kind of make sure you evenly kind of get it over there as much as you can.
Can you guys smell that?
It'll be
'Cause
perfect, but
it smells good.
it's got to be smelling super dank. Alright, kind of spread that over. Just light spread is pretty good. Alright, then we're going to take our Rotel and our sour cream, just pour that on in there. Gonna mix that in a little bit with the sour cream.
Love that sound.
Me too. It's the sound of freedom
In America.
in Mexico, in the world. Okay, that's mixed in there pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you can just kind of just stir it on over the top there. Yummy yum. All right. All right, then we're gonna do another thin layer of cheese.
Kind of covering all the white.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then finally, get back to this potato chip bag. And just on top, to create a little crust, we want to crumble some chips on top. Give it a nice, it'll be nice and baked and crusty on top once you pull it out of there. This would be great for like game day, watching some football on Saturday or Sunday.
Or Monday.
Or Monday, or Thursday. Or, you know, basketball.
Or Fridays if you're in high school.
Pretty much any day. I think they even Tuesdays. All right, that's pretty good crunchy crust there. All right, so now we're gonna put this in the oven. Doesn't need too long. We're gonna put it in there for about 15, 20 minutes at 350. All right.
Hey, Chihuahua puppy.
Wow, ay, que rica. This looks so good. Man. Gotta bring this to the game.
I know, this looks really
Let's
good.
get in there and take a look real quick. Look at that bubbly goodness.
Wow.
All right. Kim, anyone use a spoon?
Mm-hmm.
That's clean spoon
That's
for
clean.
you.
All right. Let's get a nice little bite. Make sure I get the chili in there too. Think it's gonna be too hot.
Oh,
Ooh.
I would blow on it for.
That's legit good.
It is?
Yeah.
I've got some corn tortillas. Lay them down in your 9x13 casserole dish.
Ooh.
And you may have to break them to make them fit. Like, I think this last one will cut it
Oh
in
yeah.
half.
Oh yeah. To cover the complete bottom.
Yeah.
And then a little
Put-
there.
There we go. Now you're going to take a pound of ground beef. We've already cooked ours. Put 6 ounces of enchilada sauce, which is half this bottle, to your hamburger meat. Okay, and take maybe a cup of Mexican cheese. Put it in with the hamburger meat.
Nice. I already smell that enchilada sauce.
Yeah. It does
Smells
really
so
smell good. Get that all mixed up. And you're going to take and spoon half, don't use all of it, about half of it.
Okay.
Spoon it onto your mixture. I mean, onto your tortillas, not mixture.
Onto the base there. Okay, this is looking great.
And now we're going to take some black beans. We drained them and rinsed them.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to sprinkle these on our
man.
mixture.
This is looking like a great casserole
Yeah, it will be good.
for me and my 5 kids.
Okay, once you got that, you're going to start layering again. Get your corn tortillas. Put another layer, just press it down.
So we got that second layer on top.
Now you're going to go back to your meat mixture. And put it down. Okay, now you go with your beans again.
This is coming together real nice.
Then we are going to put our final layer.
Yeah, well that fit pretty much.
Well, let's put a little enchilada sauce on it
Oh yeah.
first. And we're just going to drizzle it over our tortillas.
I love some enchilada sauce. It's great.
Just going to spread it around on the top. Now, we're going to top it with the rest of our Mexican-style cheese. This will be a good dish.
Absolutely.
If you want to use chicken instead of the hamburger meat, you could. You do all kinds of varieties.
Yeah, all types of enchiladas.
Now we're going to bake this at 350.
For about 30 minutes, people. All right, let's take a look. Oh, wow, look at that.
It's delicious.
Man, that's some cheesy enchilada goodness.
This will be a good lunch. This smells delicious.
Ooh, we're gonna let it cool down for just a second and come back and try it. All right, let's give it a try.
Comes out of there nice.
Ooh, look at the meat. I want some meat.
There's meat in that one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Wow.
That's some good enchiladas.